Hey guys, Foxy's Trading here, back with another crypto video for you guys, and we're back talking about SPX6900. Today's video is just going to be purely market structure, so let's get right into things. So what did I say in my last week's video that I wanted to see? Well, I wanted to see good things happen and not the reverse, right? So what I marked out for you guys was this daily for value gap right over here. This was an imbalance in price, and I was hoping that price would do this, close above, and then start eventually pushing higher. Now, what did we get on the opposite end? Well, we got price reacting to it for 4 days in a row, and it eventually said, no, I do not want to go up. We are headed to the downside. And that is trading. That is the market, right? You have these zones, and it's either going to respect them the way it did here and continue, or it's going to finally break out and go to the upside. Now, there is a good thing that comes out of this. Later on down the road, this will become a strong zone of support. Now, why? Because of the amount of times we tapped it. Eventually, when price breaks it, we can now use this zone as a support zone to go higher up. So that'll be a nice little confirmation. But as of right now, we are waiting, okay? I'm going to tell everybody this. Just wait a little bit. We are in no man's land. There really is not much happening. We are headed to the downside. You can see, we can see from the very top, right? We have the highs. Then we have a lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. Now all the way down here, probably get a lower low, lower high somewhere here, and then head down, right? So it's that step ladder to the downside, right? We have been trending down, down, down. And now we are trending further down. Even on the daily time frame, we can see that, right? No stops in that down play, right? Down, down, down to the downside. So this is why I'm advising to just wait a little bit more patiently for price to start giving us something, because as of right now, there isn't much. Even when you look to the left, there isn't really anything here for me to even trade off of, really. There's no imbalances, there's no order blocks. Yes, there's some support zone here, but we are at the bottom. Could we use this as a valid support zone? Yeah, you could, but we are pretty much at the very bottoms anyways. So, it's pretty obvious that this is becoming a support zone because we are at the bottom. So my advice to everybody right now looking at SPX6900 is to just wait patiently, but don't panic, right? I know we are low. I get it. But this is where the money is made, in the low periods. Just think about it, right? If you were to buy here and you go to the highs, 100% gain. Great. Now, if you bought here and you go down, oh, you're so mad, you're so angry. Oh, I'm down in the profits, I have two questions for you. One, do you believe in crypto? Two, do you believe in SPX6900? Because if you don't believe in either of those, then what made you want to buy, right? Just because my projects, let's just see what's super down that I own, right? Render. Just because it went from $10 to $2. Am I panicked? No, because I believe in what is to come. I believe in crypto. The altcoin season is not here yet. Everybody doesn't understand this. When the times are high and the markets are green, everyone's so happy and they're buying and they're talking. But when the market is red, it's like there's silence. But that's when the most amount of talking should be happening, because this is the time to buy, right? Maybe not literally right now because we are kind of in a bad area, but when things start looking a little healthier, or if we get right over here with price, I'm personally going to be buying up. Why? Because we are so low. Now, do I want price to go and sweep this liquidity right over here? No, not really, because then we're going to be really, really low. And yes, the gains are possible, but at this low, that is a little bit too much of a low for me. So if we do get a little bit lower right over here, I will be buying up because the gains are just so good and we are so low, right? So what else can we have a look at? Everything will be oversold, right? RSI is going to be oversold on the weekly, oversold on the daily, nothing on the monthly. We are just oversold, right? We have been trending down, and it hasn't been a good couple of weeks. It's been red, but you know what can we really do? We have to adapt to the market, and we have to wait, right? I've been in this game for a long time, and I've been holding for a long time. There's coins I've been holding for 5 years. I've been holding XRP since 50 cents, right? I've been holding it since, where was it? Like right over here somewhere. Right here. This is literally where I bought, somewhere right over here. 5 years I've been holding XRP, right? And I'm up. I'm up now. But I was up even higher. But I believe XRP is going to do fantastic things in the future. Why? Because I believe in XRP. I believe in what they are trying to do. I believe in crypto. So that's how you have to view it. These are buying times. These are fantastic times. Crypto's not dying. Crypto's not dead. It's not going anywhere. There will be more upside potential. Just because we have this red doesn't mean we're not going to get another blue, right? When altcoin season comes, this is going to happen, but it's not here yet. Bitcoin dominance is still intact, and we are not there yet. So just wait, be patient, don't go crazy. That's basically my message for all of you. If I would be buying in a specific area, let me have a look to the left on the daily. Let me see if anything stands out. We have this imbalance in price where price has tested twice below. Let's see how, if we move that to the right. Okay, so we are below that point already. Basically broke through with almost a little bit of resistance, but not much. This imbalance in price, maybe. You know what? I think that this looks like a strong imbalance in price, right? I think stronger than this one. So let's mark this out for everybody so you can plug it into your own charts. This daily fair value gap is where I would be looking to buy up, right? So why daily fair value gap, right? And look how many times price has tested this area. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 times. 9 times, and it said no. We do not want to close below it. So what am I expecting? I'm expecting price to tap into here, and let's hopefully consolidate before we close above and start making higher highs to the upside. So for everybody wanting to buy, this is your little buying box bubble from 38 cents to 42 cents. In that area is when I would be buying up. I'd be looking for a inversion of a fair value gap. What does that mean when I'm buying? Let me try to find it in the market for everybody right over here. Okay, this is right away. I can spot it right here. So this is what I'd be looking for, right? We have this imbalance in price formed. Then what do we see? We see a closure below. We retest this zone and we push further down. So that is what I'm going to be looking, except the opposite for the upside, okay? Kind of confusing. I understand. Hopefully this happens next week-ish, so I can make an update video for you guys so you guys don't get in too late. Somewhere when it's here and we do start creating that inversion, I can update you guys, and then we can go to the upside, obviously, right? So that will be my buying zone. Mark it up, put it in your charts. Let's see how price reacts off of this area. Remember, I am not a fortune teller. Just because I draw out this zone doesn't mean price is going to go this and boom, right? So everybody relax. Let's see how market adapts. Let's learn. Let's trade. Let's study. Let's be patient. All of that good stuff. You guys are a strong community. You guys believe in the token. We're not panicking. So if you guys enjoyed the video, make sure to leave a like, comment, hit that subscribe button. It really means a lot to me. Make sure you guys do your own research because I'm not a financial advisor. And I'll see everybody in the next video.